my channel. It's me or Itra. Subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to stay notified whenever I upload a video. So it's been a little late today and it's the next day today and we have just woken up. Like I have just woken up. Few people are still lying on the bed and few have gone out to explore. I'm a bit late. I can't find them. I really can't find them. This place looks even more pretty in the morning.
And finally, I found them sitting by a pond, and that's how our morning started. Next up, we took a different road and found some little white boxes in the middle of the woods, and we finally found it to be horticulture. I was very excited to see horticulture because I read it and I did not see it until then. We maintained a good amount of distance to avoid getting stung by the bees though. Next up, we hurried because we wanted to visit River Yamuna. We heard that the River Yamuna was flowing through that area and we couldn't afford to miss. So we were on our way to River Yamuna. And next up, we find this amazing lady who invited us to her place. And this is the oven, and those little sticks are the fuel which is used to boil paddy before it turns rice. And apparently it all seemed like sticks to me, but then this is the lady. She explained to us every little detail of her house, and she was very sweet. It was very sweet and kind of her to invite us to her place and explain every little detail, village details. Again, we stopped by a house, and this time it was with a poultry farm. We all were very excited to see the poultry farm. Rather, they invited us to see the poultry farm, and there were a lot of chicken up there. These chicken were very cute. I even spotted few eating their grains out of that red box. It was very cute. Opala even spotted a snake which was hiding inside that white thingy. I think that was a tent, white tent, and it was hiding inside it. Next up, on our way to River Yamuna, I found this fisherman. He was fixing his fish net. Next, I also found a mango garden, and I couldn't control, the monkey in me couldn't control but to climb up the tree, and I also convinced my friends to climb up the tree. And this is us. I mean, this was us on the tree. This was the view of the paddleland on our way to River Yamuna. It was noon around 12:30, and the place was so windy, it was so soothing. I didn't want to leave, but I had to because that was the day we were returning home.
This is the view. We have walked about, I don't know, probably 7 to 8 kilometers, and finally we have reached this place. A paddy field here. I don't know, probably there are fishes in there, and this place is damn pretty. Like seriously, oh my god, I wish I could stay here forever. This is River Yamuna, and this much is the water left in the river, and the rest is all filled with